I'm going to show you how to make a variety of different rolled sugar cookies. Now that our butter has been beaten, our next step is adding our sugar. Because what would sugar cookies be without the sugar? We're going to add 1/2 cup of sugar, granulated white sugar, to our butter. You want to carefully measure it and then flatten out the top. We're going to pour this in there. And then once again, we're going to start on a slow speed on our mixer. Now, while you're mixing this, you're probably going to start out with some clumps of sugar and butter. This is fine, you want to mix through that. Probably at least once through mixing, you're going to have to scrape down the sides of the bowl with your spatula so that the butter is fully incorporated into the sugar. So we're going to start out slowly before moving up to a faster speed. So with our sugar beaten into our butter, you can see that it's got a nice creamy texture. It looks very similar to what the butter did when it was beaten by itself. This is how you'll know that the sugar is fully incorporated, because it won't be grainy or lumpy as when you first start mixing it. So with that, it's time to go on to our next step.